Hey yo, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. So for today, your boy Sky has a very exciting and an interesting video about an altcoin or a low cap altcoin which has the potential of 100x. And the low altcoin I am talking about is MarsMission. I know a lot of you guys might have not heard of it, but I promise you after watching this video you are going to fall in love with it and you would want to purchase it as soon as possible. I just feel like it has so much potential, but it just hasn't been discovered as much yet. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time and you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with cryptocurrency, Dogecoin or stock market, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, but it will help me and you out, as the YouTube algorithm will push this video out to more people will find out about MarsMission, and at the end of the day they decide to purchase it, it starts spiking up and all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now first of all, just talking about MarsMission, just look at the design of the website. It just looks so clean. I just love it. If we just scroll down a little bit, you guys can see this project is community driven by Fairly launched on Pancake. All the initial liquidity has been provided by the team and locked away. Now there is automated liquidity as well. A percentage of every single trade, which is going to be 4%, will be locked away every single transaction, and also another 4% will be given out to the people who are holding on to the token. So by just holding on to the token, you're already making money. It's great to see. So every single transaction they are trying to promote people to actually hold on to the coin rather than doing transaction and trying to trade it. Now if we scroll down a little bit more, you guys can see the roadmap. What are their plans for the second quarter of 2021? First of all, it was only launched 3 weeks ago, which was the launch phase. The second one was the awareness campaign, trying to get people to find out about this token. The third one was applications and listing. They want to be listed on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Blockfolio, and LiveCoinWatch. Now what is super cool about this is they have already been listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. As you guys can see, if you make your way to CoinGecko, you can see MarsMission, and if you make your way to CoinMarketCap, you can also see MarsMission. Now I personally love it when they have some plans for second quarter of the year and they have already accomplished something, so they are working on it on the background rather than just wasting time. And in the second quarter they also want to have some partnerships with other projects and DeFi coins. That's great. Now they have been fully audited by TechRate, and if you actually just make your way to TechRate's website and search up MarsMission, you will actually see the whole thing. So TechRate is a company that actually checks on every single new altcoin to see if they are safe, and if you just scroll down you can see every single box for this currency has been ticked green. It has no problems. Everything, the compiling error, everything you can think of, everything has been fixed by the dev team and everything is perfect inside of this cryptocurrency. If you scroll all the way down, it says smart contracts does not have any high security issues or scarcity issues. That's great because that makes it a lot more safer to invest in. Now the final thing that they have on their website is, if you scroll all the way down, it says MarsMission is a community driven devved on the smart chain to ensure seamless experience where everyone can trade with low gas fees. It is also 100% community driven, so everyone is welcome to contribute without asking permission from the dev. And the other thing you guys can see on the right bottom is they already have so many social media. I mean, they have Telegram, Twitter, Binance, also Discord, Instagram, Facebook, Reddit, everything is there. Now boys and girls, if you want to stay up to date with this project with every single small update, I recommend you guys join their Telegram. It is so active. There is 4,500 or over 4,500 members and close to 500 online all the time. And as they always say, the community is super welcoming, so if you do decide to join it, they're super nice, and at the same time they will not be rude to you, and everyone in the community just keeps talking about the cryptocurrency and help you understand the project. If you have any questions, Telegram is the best place to ask. But talking about their BSC scan, you can see they already have 4.3k holders. That's a lot of people considering this token only came out 3 weeks ago. 4,000 holders, and at the same time 13,000 transactions have already been made. Now usually on these small altcoins, what people are very scared of is a rug pull. If you do not know what rug pull means, when the price goes really high, the CEO or the owner who created the token, they decide to throw in like 50% of the token, make a lot of profit and completely crash the price, everyone else loses the money. But on this token, it's a good thing. They have provided actual proof that the token which was created at the start and was given to the CEO have been completely burnt. As you guys can see in this transaction, they have completely burnt the tokens that were given to the CEO or the creator, and they do not hold it anymore, which simply means there can be no rug pull and your money will be secured for a little bit of time. Moving on to their white paper, yes, they do have a white paper. You can read through all of it. It's actually very well written, but you can see it's simple. Automatic LP will be added. The Mars token deflationary, they do not deflate just like normal money. There is also a fair launch. If you guys do not know, most of the cryptocurrencies, how they start off is before the launch there is a pre-launch, and a lot of people get the token early. But in this one, they actually had a fair launch and made sure it goes on Pancake Live at the same time and everyone has access to it at the same time. This makes it very fair and no one gets an early start to the token. I personally feel like that was a great idea, because just knowing about the token early shouldn't grant you the advantage of having more profit over someone else that just figured it out. But talking about their graph, I know a lot of you guys want to see their price and how well it is doing. At the moment, they have 3 zeros after the dot, so 0.0008, and you guys can see from the chart the token holds a lot of value. Once they were released on the 8th of April, on the 12th of April they had their initial spike, then there was a small rally down, and then they had their second spike which actually put them to the highest of all time, and that was close to the 20th of April. And right now you guys can see it has rallied down a little bit, and you can see that there is going to be a huge spike, which is going to be the third spike, just like SafeMoon. I'm just very excited to see where this token is going to go from here. I personally feel like it is going to go up. But talking about their Twitter, they do have a strong following on Twitter as well, close to 5,000 followers, and that is great. In my opinion, 5,000 followers for a token that is only 3 weeks old is incredible. I know most of you guys always have the question, Sky, how do I buy this token? It's very simple. All you need to do is you need to make a Trust Wallet account. Once you have created a Trust Wallet account, go ahead and buy yourself some BNB. Put it inside of the Trust Wallet, convert it to Smart Chain. Once it's converted to Smart Chain, you guys need to make your way to PancakeSwap. Once you arrive at PancakeSwap, on the top right you will have the option to connect. Go ahead and connect your wallet, and then on the top make sure you put in BNB, which is obviously going to be Smart Chain, and on the bottom you guys need to go ahead and put in the mission which you are trying to buy, which is obviously MarsMission. Now one thing you need to know is you need to get their contract address. You can get it from the Psn scan, or you can get it from their website, and you can just put it in the search bar and it will come up. And after that, just put in how much BNB you want to convert into MarsMission, and then you guys will be able to go ahead and swap it. It's that simple. With that out of the way, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Now what is my verdict? I feel like this has so much potential and it might be exploding very soon, and I am very excited to see. I'm strapped in to see how well it does in the near future. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. If you guys are new and you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. That's completely free to do so, but your boy will actually help you out, and also you will help me out. With that out of the way, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.